how to turn off safe mode on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different methods that'll help you turn off and get out of safe mode on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Now, the easiest way to turn off safe mode on your Android phone is to simply reboot it. And you can easily do that by either holding down the power button to get to the power menu and selecting restart, or you can swipe down all the way until you get to this menu right here and select the power button and then select restart. Now, if for some reason that's not working for you, I would recommend doing a hard reset, and that's going to be holding down the power button for 15 to 30 seconds until the screen turns all the way off, and it should reboot automatically, but you may need to hold down the power button again to get it to turn back on, and it should be out of safe mode then. Now, if after rebooting, your Android phone is still in safe mode, this is most likely caused by one of your volume buttons being stuck or broken. So try to ensure that your volume buttons are not stuck by pressing them and getting them unstuck, or you can try to clean them out, maybe by blowing air into them, something like that. But most likely that is causing your phone to go back into safe mode. It's just one of the buttons that is stuck. So I'm just going to reboot this Android phone. And as you can see, when it booted back up, it no longer says safe mode in the bottom left because I had now turned off safe mode on my Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.